Imagine transforming a forgotten corner of a historic town into a vibrant cultural hub. This is exactly what the renovation of the Foshan Guanyao Culture and Art Center achieved. And it's a story that highlights the power of thoughtful design and community engagement. But here's where it gets interesting. The project didn't just restore an old site, it breathed new life into it by blending modern aesthetics with traditional elements, all while preserving the area's rich heritage. Area 865 meters squared. Year 2025. Lead architects Lu Moyen, Su Peng. The Foshan Guanyao Cultural and Art Center, also known as Guanyao Senbao, is a prime example of how architecture can play a crucial role in revitalizing a community. Located in the historic Guanyao town of Nanhai District, Foshan, the site was initially a cluster of buildings that seemed almost frozen in time. At the beginning of 2023, ceramic artist Li Jianshen chose this seemingly overlooked spot on the north side of Yiyuan West Road to become the future home of the Guanyao Cultural and Art Center. When the architects from Greyspace stepped in, they faced a unique challenge: how to restore the buildings to their former glory while introducing contemporary elements that would attract visitors and artists alike. Their solution was a combination of comprehensive restoration and localized micro-renovations. This approach allowed them to maintain the character of the original street block, ensuring that the historical integrity of the area remained intact. One of the standout features of the project is the integration of ceramic-themed spatial cues throughout the center. These elements serve as a nod to the region's long-standing tradition of pottery and ceramics, providing a thematic foundation that resonates with both curators and artists. By doing so, the architects created a space that not only honors the past but also paves the way for the future of ceramic art in the region. The renovation of the Foshan Guanyao Culture and Art Center is more than just a building project. It's a testament to the potential of architecture to revitalize communities and preserve cultural heritage. As the center continues to grow and evolve, it stands as a beacon of what can be achieved when modern design meets traditional values. And this is the part most people miss. The project's success lies in its ability to balance preservation with innovation. While some might argue that such renovations risk losing the authenticity of the original structures, others believe that this kind of adaptive reuse is essential for keeping historic sites relevant in the modern world. What do you think? Should we prioritize preserving the past exactly as it was, or is there room for creative reinterpretation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.